Action! Volkswagen T32 2015 2-litre diesel, 5.3 metres long and weighing at 3,200 kilograms. Right, so to pop top roof, so we'll get the pop top up in a minute. Here's a hookup. We're not going to be using the hookup today, we're wild camping, proper van life. And then if we have a look at the back, we have a back seat which forms part of the rock and roll bed, storage, more storage and more storage. And then we've got, what I do like about this Volkswagen, I do like the wheels on the van, really nice wheels. So let's have a look inside. So inside, let's get some room so we can stand up. So there we have the pop top roof, and what we have got up here is this is a good area for sleeping. I wouldn't do it myself, but especially for children, it's a great place there for sleeping. Right, rock and roll bed. I'll show you the rock and roll bed first. So we have the lever here, and we just lift that up to bring it forward, and we just pull the bed forward, and there's our rock and roll bed. And this is a good size as well. Now all we have to do then is to get it back to normal. As we see the lever, we just pull the lever. And how easy is that? Another cool thing about this is the front two seats, how they swivel around. So let me just show you that as well. So we've got the two seats. What you have to do, you unscrew the bolt, lift that bolt up there, unscrew again, lift that in place, and then you've got two bolts at the front, and then you do the same again with the two bolts at the front. And then all we do then, I've been on a bumper car. There we go. We've got the swivel seat around. And how big's my motorhome now? Right, so what we've also got behind the driver's seat is our little table. And we're all good to go. So let's show you the bits and bobs of the van. We've got our battery condition, we've got our charger supply. So at the moment it's not working because we're not hooked in. And then we've got our 12-volt fuses. Then we've got our battery selector, whether we have it on leisure battery or vehicle battery. And then this is our little 12-volt pump for the water. When we are hooked up, and so if it's outside your house, if you want to leave it on van, it'll charge the leisure battery up. Vice versa, if you switch it over to car, it'll also charge the vehicle battery up as well. What we have got is some really nice lighting system, and these are your switches for all the lights. We also have the speaker in the back as well, so we've got the sounds coming through. And then we do have lots of storage. Really made use of the van actually. So first hatch here, what we've got, this is for the water, and then we have the pump going into the little tank, as you so call it. And then I don't know if you can just see down here, this is our leisure battery, and then just opposite we have our charger that charges the leisure battery when the vehicle is actually running. Moving on to the next hatch, what we've got, this is our gas, and this is how it should be done. It should be in a sealed container just like this, and that's how the gas should be, because then if there is any leaks or anything, it stays in there. So we switch that on, and then what we can do, there you go, we've got the gas hobs going. And then I'll just show you the pump, put the pump on, and there we go, got the water coming out the taps. And then also, to keep the drinks nice and cold, we've got the little Dometic 12-volt fridge, really simple to use. We just switch on, and there we go, and this is for your temperature. Now with the compressor fridges, they're really good. The way the compressor fridges work is off the 12 volters, once they get to the right temperature, they actually switch off. So unless you open the fridge, it'll always maintain the coldness without having to use any energy. So they are really good. So just think out the box. Don't be opening the fridge all the time, because then you're going to be using more juice. So a quick look at the cab. As it is, it's the Volkswagen, and then you've got your little media pack there, and with a 5-speed gearbox with air conditioning. Volkswagen T32. I love this little camper van. I like the space we've got here, and then when the bed's out, everything's not cramped up. I've got good prep area here. I've got my hobs, I've got the water, and then I've also got my fridge as well. The only one drawback is possibly, if I was keeping this van, I'd probably put a Webasto heater in it, or some form of heating. But other than that, yeah, VW.